the chemistry is very natural and charismatic. Ang challenge ko is paano sila pag-walk-in. Para lang, alam mo yun, hindi ako ma-affected sa set, gano'n. Kasi yung kwento nitong Good and Cindy, very relatable siya for me. Kaya nakita ko yung past self ko, kaya ako yung from the future na, uy, stop, wag maingat sa best friend, gano'n. So, ayun. So, pero yun, parang nagkuruto ng sigat, napagano'n na ako eh. Pero parang so stop, wag, gawin natin yan sa eksena, gano'n. So, even walang take, nag-ano pa rin sila, yung chemistry nandun eh. So parang very natural and very free flowing lang, gano'n. Kaya gusto ko i-stop yung gano'n, in between takes. So,
comment lang, Bea, kanina yung group shot ng parang class photo. Parang it reminded me of Twin Hearts class of 2012. Nakita mo ba yun kanina? Yung group shot? Di ba bumalik sa yung mga nakaraan? Hindi nasa Twin Hearts na.
Siguro po, syempre, nagkaroon tayo ng ganong phase and talagang malaking bagay po yun sa akin, sa career ko. And syempre for sure sa audience na na-touch ng Twin Hearts namin before. But itong university series, itong Golden Scenery of Tomorrow, it's a really different universe, it's a different story, it's different characters. And I hope na ma-touch din nito yung mga viewers at maka-affect din ito. At hindi na ito actually, the whole series, the whole university series, sa mga viewers in a good way. Kasi alam ko po na nababasa ko talaga na kumbaga naging malaking parte ng buhay nila ang university series. And I hope na itong adaptation, it's something good. It's something that will remind them of a beautiful memory. Ayun.
Salamat po.
Thank you po.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Next up, from Stars Putot, we have Alan Sanbon.
Hello po. Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. Congratulations to everyone for a new series, especially to Bea sa Idolbert. So tanong ko lang, parang i-follow up ko lang yung question kanina, bakit mo nasabing reliable and hindi lang mema si Wilbert? At kay Wilbert naman, tanong ko na rin, tuhugin ko na rin. Ikaw naman, how do you describe Bea as a love team? Diba? May marami bang aabangang mga intimate scene din kayo dito tulad ng mga nakaraang mga series ng university series?
Nasabi ko po na very reliable love team si Wilbert kasi he makes sure that I'm not uncomfortable with anything. And to have a love team like that na hindi yung parang kailangan to sa trabaho, no choice ka. Gusto mo, hindi kailangan mo gawin. Love team eh. Pero he's not like that. Talagang ang inaano niya is that kailangan comfortable ako, if I'm okay, if it's not something na nakaka-bother sa akin. And para sa akin sobrang importante po nun kasi it really, parang it strengthens the chemistry somehow. Doon mas lumalaki yung tiwala. Kumbaga, mas nagiging komportable kayo sa isa't isa kasi, again, make sure niya na komportable ka. Yun. Ayun po.
Wilbert naman, ano yung masasabi mo sa kanya bilang love?
Si Bea, sobrang reliable talaga. Kasi reliable ka naman kasi talaga. Saka, dito lalo po sa project na to, parang binigay niya talaga lahat. Yung effort, as in, nag-valuable practice po siya. So, sineryoso niya talaga yung as Bea, yung character niya dito, yung project namin. And, pag nasa set po kami, may eksena kami, lagi po kami nagkakamustuhan, kumusta ka na, okay ka lang ba kayo? And then every time, I think madaming beses sa isang araw namin tinatanong sarili, happy ka? Happy. Kasi parang gusto namin sure na happy kami sa set, sa trabaho namin, na walang masama yung loob bro, walang nangyari na if ever meron man, okay, anong nangyari, ano kailangan natin pwedeng gawin? Dapat happy ka always. So, tinatanong din ako, dapat happy kayo sa mga mag-isa. So, ganun po yung working relationship.
Hindi yata nasagot yung tanong ko about dun sa scene ninyo. May mga abangan ba? Kasi nakita kanina parang, di ba first kiss, di ba? Ikaw ba yung first kiss ko? Nakiga kayo sa kama pareho. May abangan ba mga more than that? Parang intimate scenes?
Sa tingin ko po parang sobrang mild po talaga. Like, book po ata namin yung pinaka wala po masyadong intimate scene. Kung meron man, sobrang tame na tame. Ganun po siguro.
Thank you. Congratulations everyone.
Okay, maraming salamat po. Next up, pakinggan natin from Rider PH Studios. We have Jojo Panaligan.
Thank you to the ladies and gentlemen dito sa Tanan. Basic question, the name of your character, and tell us about that character. We start with Jairus.
Hello. Bye. Yeah, so I'll be playing the role of Chandray Kyle. Been doing it for how many years now? Pero Chandray Kyle Lopez and love interest din ni Nicole, which is really playing Kiera. And brother din ni Haya. So basically, yun lang naman. And after their book, kami naman ni Nicole. So the final and last book. So yeah, getting there. Medyo nakakaba kasi ito na yung sign na kami na yung next, pero still enjoying yung part na wala pa. So medyo kalmado pa. Pero papunta na tayo sa sa sad part. So yeah, ayun.
My role is going to be Alex Jace Martinez, and as everybody knows, in the present, he's a student, not of this group, not of their group, pero galing Ateneo naman. Kasama ko naman dun sina Lance and Andre Frost, and in the future naman, in the present, I'm a lawyer. So I don't know yet if there's going to be any lawyer scene. There's probably going to be more school scenes, definitely.
Hello, good afternoon po. Ako po dito si Sebastian Vincent Cabero, best friend po ni Arkin and then group po ng Valeria High. So, we're gonna start sa book na to kung paano po kami nag-meet ng high school. And then, in the latter part, gonna be love interest of the Ellie. And then, gonna be a computer. Okay.
Hi everyone. My character name here is Clyden J. Ramirez, the oldest one in the group. So yeah, I'm a doctor, and as the eldest, I think I'm gonna be in my college era. I think in Golden Senior Youth tomorrow. So also the love interest of Samantha Vera in this book. So.
Hi everyone, I'm playing the role of Samantha Marie Vera, the socialera, social butterfly of the Barkada. Tulad na sinabi ko ni Gab, part po kami ng Valeria High nung high school. So mag-start yung friendship namin doon. Actually, different year kami. Like, older kami ni Krisha here kaysa sa kanila. And then, yeah, in the present, model naman si Samantha. Thank you.
So I play the role of Elise, Amara Elise Ledesma. In this series, I guess she was here, and she's like, I believe freshly entering, high school. She's gonna be super young, but in the future, when she goes to college, she becomes a cheerleader, and also she becomes the CEO of her family company. So I guess I'm the little sister of Sean.
Ako po si Krisha, dito ako po si Ashana Ken Fernandez. They call me Yana. Sa college days nila, kilala siya as the feisty one, the wild one.
during high school days, palaban pa din siya, pero di ba masagana yung pechay? Kasi high school pa lang sila. And dito po, malalaman natin kung paano naging mag-best friend si Sam, character ni Sam, and paano naging mag-barkada yung Valeria High, si Bea, Via, Sam, si Selvi, Kiera, and Luna. Yun, kami yung magkakakilala dito. At si Arkin, sorry na. Nasali. Ayun.
Hi po, hello. I played the role of Kiara Inares, and na-mention naman po nila, this is where you're gonna see paano kami magiging magkaibigan. Dito niyo po makikita kung gaano kami kakulit kay Via. Kami ni Luna and ni Kiara. So it is a very exciting and fresh, energetic energy na makikita niyo sa season na to. So, ayun po.
Alright, that's it, okay? Maraming salamat po. Next up, from Random Republica, we have Kate Adahar. Over here in front.
Hi, Bea and Wilmer. Congratulations. I think nag-work din yung chemistry niyo because you appear to be really good friends. So, kumusta yung relationship niyo off-cam? Can you describe, are you total opposites or do you have a lot of things in common?
We're friends po. And, lalo na dito sa series, we got to know each other more. And I think we still are. We still are getting to know each other more. And, pero I admit, dito sa series ito talagang we became closer po. And, or opposites ba tayo? Parang sucks lang. Depende. Depende sa ano. Well, oo, depende. Depende. Kasi ano siya like, he's very into arts. Ako po medyo maarte lang po ako. Tapos, like, kunwari, sa talagang healthy lifestyle, ako medyo lang po, mga ganun. Pero I think there are things naman na nagkakasundutan. Di ba? Yan po.
May mga differences po kami and then tinatry namin i-influence yung isa't isa sa mga positive. Like, minsan sinasabi niya, like parang encourage kita sa mga healthy things na dapat gawin. Tapos, lagi niya akong pinapakain ng pagkain sa set. So, lagi siya may pinapatik na pagkain sa akin doon. So, and okay naman po kami. We're friends. Sabi niya. Sabi niya nga, we're friends. So, ayun po, okay naman po kami sa working relationship namin. Magaan lang and I think now, kasi before medyo may awkwardness kasi wala po kaming chance kasi wala kaming scene together sa other books. Wala din kaming masyadong chance din na to know more about each other. Ngayon po medyo kilala na namin isa't isa sa mga bagay-bagay. Ayun po.
Salamat.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Okay. Next up from Manila Times, we have Tessa Mauricio Ariola.
Thank you, Etta. I just want to ask the boys, the girls on this side, since we've heard a lot from Bea and Wilbur already. Syempre, some people kind of think that there's too many actors and actresses in the one set. Can you tell us how you guys get along when the cameras aren't rolling? Meron ba competition or is everybody friends? So maybe one or two from the girls and the guys. But maybe you can start with Lance.
Actually, there's no competition at all. We're very excited for Wilbert and Bea because it's their book, and of course, Jairus and Nicole on book 6. And then each book, ako, nung kakapasok ko lang ng AOTD, sobrang naramdaman ko yung support ng bawat isa. And I'm really grateful that all of us have a supportive system, a good working relationship with each other as each book passes by. And for off-cam bonding, me and the boys, we go to the gym. And minsan may mga like eat-outs with the cast. Just to sum it all up, I'm just really grateful for all the support system that the 12 of us have right now. That's it.
Is there anybody else from the boys would like to say something in the name?
I just want to say I'm super grateful and blessed to make friends in this family because we're really proud of kung sino man may book, sobrang proud kami na sila na yung gaganap and we want to support them as much as successful as to be and we don't want any competitions because at the end of the day, we're all family here and the way we bonded off cam, me and the boys always play basketball in gym. Sometimes kami na with the girls, we eat. I think one time nagpa-hotpot sila sa bahay niya nung bonding namin or sometimes we go out. And yeah, we're at the same time, we just want everyone to be successful and we're really proud of Will Bea right now.
The girls naman, maybe two of you as well, if you can answer the question.
I remember I mentioned this since Safe Skies, since I first became a part of this family. I feel super lucky. Like, first big project ko, I'm a part of a cast that's so genuine. Walang competition. Everyone is just there to support each other. And because I was new, I appreciated how much they were there for me then. And they were there to guide me and support me, especially because I would get nervous because it's my first time for so many things. But yeah, no competition at all, purely just love. Like, sometimes in between work day, we'll just be sitting and eating, like, wait, what's the chismis? Or like, what's the chika? What's an update on your life? And yeah, super, super grateful and proud of Wilbert Bea. I know it's gonna be so good already from the poster, diba? Right? Yes.